Ever imagine being able to taste the shape of what you're eating? Scientists are exploring that with fava beans.
Really?
Yeah.
That's fascinating.
We'll dive into that research and a whole bunch more today. We've got articles on RNA sequencing, immunology,
Wow.
and even the gut microbiome.
It's amazing how quickly these fields are advancing. We're really seeing scientists use cutting-edge tools to unlock these secrets about human health and disease at a cellular level.
Let's start with those fava beans.
Okay.
Researchers at the Leibniz Institute are using a model of human oral tactile cells
Interesting.
to understand how fava bean proteins affect our sense of touch in the mouth.
It's the first time research has really focused on this tactile element of taste. Traditionally, the focus has been on how food molecules interact with taste receptors on our tongues, but this research adds a whole new dimension by exploring how the structure of proteins contributes to the feeling of food in our mouths.
That's incredible. This research uses a technique we're seeing more and more of, single-cell RNA sequencing. It allows scientists to analyze the activity of individual cells, providing a much deeper understanding of complex biological processes.
It's revolutionizing so many fields.
Yeah?
From understanding how our immune systems respond to vaccines to uncovering the intricacies of cancer development. Instead of looking at cells in bulk, we can now zoom in on each individual cell and see what makes it tick.
I like that. Zoom in.
Yeah.
Several articles from the RNA-seq blog highlight some incredible advancements in this technology.
Oh, wow.
One is a new automated laser-assisted sorting method.
This method is a game changer for isolating and studying single cells. Scientists can now isolate cells with laser precision at an incredible speed.
Wow.
This level of accuracy and efficiency will undoubtedly accelerate research across various fields.
Another development that caught my eye is scGFT, or the generative Fourier transformer.
Oh, think of it like a powerful noise-canceling system.
Interesting.
For single-cell RNA sequencing data, the scGFT uses algorithms to identify and filter out noise in the data, leading to much more reliable results. And this is particularly important when working with the tiny amounts of RNA found in single cells. This advancement will help researchers make more confident conclusions from their data.
The RNA-seq blog also discusses new cancer cell-specific datasets that hold immense potential for advancing immune checkpoint blockade,
Right.
or ICB therapies.
ICB therapies are revolutionizing cancer treatment. Essentially, these therapies unleash the power of our own immune systems to fight cancer cells more effectively. These new datasets provide crucial insights into the intricate dance between cancer cells and the immune system. The result could be more targeted and effective ICB therapies, offering hope for patients with difficult-to-treat cancers. It's amazing to see single-cell RNA sequencing applied in such diverse fields, like from food science to cancer research.
Yeah.
Its impact is expanding so rapidly.
And speaking of expanding fields, we also have a collection of articles from genomics, proteomics, and bioinformatics, and creative diagnostics covering exciting developments in immunology and more.
One particularly noteworthy study focuses on malaria vaccine research.
Oh, really?
Researchers took the time to manually analyze data from each individual vaccine recipient.
Wow, that seems incredibly time-consuming.
It is.
What insights did they gain from this meticulous approach?
Well, this level of detailed analysis revealed a strong link between a specific immune cell response and protection against malaria.
Okay.
This granular data is invaluable for understanding how vaccines work and developing even more effective ones in the future. It really underscores the importance of precision and thoroughness in vaccine research.
From preventing diseases to treating them.
Right.
We also have an article highlighting a promising new treatment for gastric cancer using an antibody-drug conjugate.
This is an incredibly targeted approach.
How so?
Well, a potent drug is attached to an antibody designed to recognize cancer cells specifically. This ensures the drug is delivered directly to the tumor, minimizing damage to healthy cells.
So it's really honing in on the cancer.
Yeah, this new antibody-drug conjugate shows high effectiveness in treating HER2-positive gastric cancer, a particularly aggressive form of the disease. This breakthrough provides new hope for patients battling this challenging cancer.
That's great.
Yeah.
This is a great example of how precision medicine is changing the landscape of treatment.
Absolutely.
Another intriguing article dives into the relationship between atrial natriuretic peptide, or ANP, and immune regulation.
Yeah.
Can you remind us about ANP?
AMP is a hormone primarily known for regulating blood pressure and fluid balance.
Right.
But recent research suggests it also plays a significant role in modulating our immune systems.
Interesting.
It appears AMP can influence the activity of various immune cells, potentially impacting inflammation and immune responses. This discovery opens new avenues for research into a range of immune-related diseases and potential therapies.
It's fascinating how a hormone known for its role in cardiovascular health is also intertwined with our immune system. We've covered a range of studies using advanced technologies and computational tools to delve deeper into biological processes.
Right.
But now we have a stack of articles from Nature.com that highlight the exploding field of computational biology and bioinformatics.
Computational biology is revolutionizing how we approach research.
I can imagine.
Scientists are using computational methods to analyze vast amounts of biological data.
Wow.
From gene sequences to entire ecosystems.
That's a lot.
It is. It's like having a powerful magnifying glass that allows us to see the intricate details of life at an unprecedented scale.
That's a powerful image. What specific examples from these articles highlight the scope of computational biology?
Well, one study uses computational modeling to understand how cells age in yeast.
Okay.
They're simulating the lifespan of individual cells to pinpoint the molecular events that drive aging.
So they were looking at...
Yeah, it's like having a time machine for cells,
Interesting.
enabling researchers to observe their changes over time and manipulate molecular events to potentially slow down or even reverse the aging process.
That's an incredible application.
It is.
What other areas are being impacted by this computational approach?
There are applications in fields as diverse as special forces training and surgical procedures.
Really?
One study uses mathematical modeling to predict dropout rates in special forces training based on physiological and psychological data. By understanding the factors contributing to success, they can potentially improve selection and training processes.
Wow.
Another study uses AI to analyze surgical videos, identifying areas for improvement and standardizing procedures for enhanced patient safety. It's like having a virtual coach for surgeons, providing real-time feedback and analysis to optimize their performance.
These examples show how computational biology is impacting areas we might not have even imagined.
Yeah.
But of course, we can't forget about cancer research.
Absolutely. Computational biology is playing a crucial role in the fight against cancer.
Right.
One study uses machine learning to improve cancer diagnoses by training algorithms to recognize subtle patterns in medical images that might be missed by human eyes. This could lead to earlier and more accurate diagnoses, ultimately improving patient outcomes.
And hopefully saving lives.
Exactly. Other studies use computational methods to identify new drug targets, personalize cancer therapies, and predict treatment responses.
It's like having an army of digital detectives working tirelessly to understand and combat cancer.
A great analogy.
We're witnessing the convergence of biology, medicine, and technology, and the results are truly transformative.
It's a truly exciting time to be involved in scientific research.
I bet.
The pace of discovery is accelerating, and the possibilities seem endless.
One area where we're seeing particularly exciting developments is the study of the gut microbiome. One of the Nature.com articles explores the potential of using the gut microbiome to predict a child's future health.
Yeah.
It's a mind-boggling concept.
The gut microbiome, the trillions of bacteria living in our intestines, plays a critical role in many aspects of health.
Right.
From digestion and nutrient absorption to immune function and even brain development. This research suggests that by understanding the gut microbiome's development in early childhood, we might be able to identify potential health risks and intervene early to prevent diseases later in life.
Really?
It's a paradigm shift from treating diseases to preventing them altogether.
It's amazing to think that these microscopic organisms living within us hold such profound implications for our health. And the most fascinating part is that the gut microbiome isn't static.
No.
It's constantly evolving and influenced by factors like our diet, environment, and even medications.
We have the power to influence its composition and function through lifestyle choices. Imagine a future where we can provide personalized dietary recommendations or develop targeted therapies based on an individual's unique gut microbiome to optimize their health from a young age.
It's like having a team of microscopic gardeners tending to the ecosystem inside our guts, nurturing a healthy balance for a lifetime of well-being. This idea of using the gut microbiome to predict and shape a child's health.
It's pretty remarkable.
It really is.
Yeah.
It's like we're peering into a crystal ball, but instead of mystical visions, we're looking at this intricate world of microorganisms within us.
This research highlights a fundamental shift in healthcare.
Oh,
Instead of simply reacting to diseases, we're moving towards a proactive approach,
I see.
identifying potential risks early and intervening to prevent them. It's about empowering individuals to take control of their health destiny.
It's fascinating to think that something as simple as dietary changes could have such a profound impact on our long-term well-being.
The gut microbiome is a dynamic ecosystem, constantly responding to the environment we create within our bodies.
Right.
By understanding these interactions, we can develop personalized strategies to cultivate a thriving microbiome that supports optimal health.
The possibilities are truly mind-boggling.
They are.
What will healthcare look like in the future if we harness the power of the gut microbiome?
Well, imagine a world where routine microbiome assessments guide personalized dietary and lifestyle recommendations from infancy onward. We could potentially prevent a wide range of diseases, from allergies and autoimmune disorders to metabolic diseases and even mental health conditions. It's a future where healthcare is less about treating the sick and more about nurturing lifelong well-being.
It's an inspiring vision, a future where the microscopic world within us holds the key to a healthier and happier humanity.
And this is just the beginning.
Yeah.
As we delve deeper into the complexities of the gut microbiome, we'll undoubtedly uncover even more ways to harness its power for the benefit of humankind.
This deep dive has taken us on an incredible journey through the latest breakthroughs in science and medicine.
It has.
It's clear that we're living in an era of unprecedented discovery, and the pace of innovation is only accelerating.
It's a privilege to witness these advancements unfold and to share the excitement of scientific exploration with our listeners.
And with each new discovery, we gain a deeper appreciation for the interconnectedness of life, from the smallest microorganisms to the vast complexities of the human body.
So as we conclude this deep dive, we leave you with a sense of wonder and a challenge.
Okay. Embrace the power of curiosity. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep asking questions. The future of science and medicine is brimming with possibilities, and it's up to all of us to shape that future for the better.